The last days is characterized by many troublesome, heartbreaking events. Do all in your power to be able to provide all that is necessary for yourself and your family, even others, in these last days. The Holy Book says that in the last days, evil men shall wax stronger and stronger. That implies that evil works shall be well amplified more than ever in our world. Men and women must fortify themselves within and without with divine fire to be able to quench the evil rage that's against humanity in these evil times.